quickly skip this and then do my introduction. Hey guys, me, Jack, and oh sorry, you're gonna be black for a minute. Wait, pause. Sorry guys, give me a sec. Alright guys, I'm Jack and I'm here with some Just Cause 3 and we are on the fucking plane. Fuck you! You deserved it. Also get Trevor's mummy's boys will get killed. No shit, shut up, I will protect the plane. Fuck you! I just shot nothing. Okay, what the fuck you! There we go. Surprise, motherfucker! Yeah, guys, I have to use my voice for special effects. If I remember correctly, this is where we do a fucking wheelie. I mean, a spin. This is fun. Oh, yes, Wait. Oh shit. Shit, nigga, what? Boing. Shit, nigga. Sorry. So guys, if you really want to see this properly, if I get the proper equipment, I will. I'm sorry I haven't been putting titles in most of my videos. It's just, yeah, you know. Give him a hand. Who's that? Do you want Michael Jackson's or Justin Bieber's? Sorry if you said like Justin Bieber, I fucking hate him. I used to like him, but now he's a total shit brain to me. Surprise, motherfucker! Colby! Shut the fuck up, you weirdo. Sorry, guys. In this, I kind of want to show you, I'm just going to do cool stuff. Maybe I'll show you an Easter egg or two. Since I know 2 Easter eggs. Did you drive? Oh, fuck's sake. Sorry. You drive. I want to shoot some bitches. How did you drive, you twat? I want to shoot some people. Have I got any rocket shit? Surprise, motherfuckers! Ah, fuck you! Hey, have a pretty pig. And yeah, these guys are like the police, so that's why I'm calling them pigs. Technically, yeah, they're ultimate pigs because they're like the military in this game, sort of. So like bad in the military. Like not good. They're like GTA Merryweather. Hopefully that doesn't give me copyright issues. I doubt it would. It's from a video game. And I'm like, oh Jesus Christ. And we're just like we're all like Michael Jesus Christ, I've never done that in this game. Learn something new every day. Because that's what my boring ass mom says. I just have to use my mouse with it. Rico and Mario, we need Lily there. That didn't give it. Yeah, I thought that was. Shit, nigga, boom, boom, boom. Oh, fuck's sake. Mario, hurry up, you twat. Here you are. The weapons still work. You! Ah, bitches! Hey. I like explodies, so I do this once you get there. Boom, shakalaka!
Yeah, shut up.
Oh, crap. You know, because I wanted to go. Oh, by the way, guys, Mom and Sarah Day. Take that, you! I'm not ready to work with that. Boom. What the hell? Where are the shit? Yeah. Sorry guys, I have to listen to my shit, sorry. Oh, this is really hard to use my fucking legs. I'm sorry. We go a minute. Oh, this game always gives you a short time. I believe. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'll get copyright issues. I'm gonna quickly pause here because I need to get to a turn. I'll let you guys get it. Sorry about that, guys. I told you about that fun part. This is what I meant. Surprise, bitches! Oh, for fuck's sake! Who likes to die? Well, by the way, I'm your worst fucking nightmare. You're right for my minigun, bitch. Shit, guys, I'm trying to do this with camera, but get on me. Jesus Christ. Fuck your helicopters. Yeah, I'm not really into doing much missions, guys, but I'll do some. But this is what the gaming level would normally call a funtarg. Okay, needs charging. Just gonna quickly pause it. I know we're a bit more close. May not be able to see this, but sorry. Ow. Ooh. Yo guys, I'm just gonna do the rest of this because this will be annoying for you guys. Fuck you, Mario. bitch. As I run this game of fuck talk. Sorry guys if you die all the fuck. It's just, yeah. They can play it a lot more better, and the reason this one's easy is because since it's a cutscene, okay guys, I'm gonna leave this episode here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, say bye to Terry and my mum. Bye! Sorry guys, that's it. Later, alligators.